Hola amigos, you watching Web3 Utopia, and today I'll show you how to install Taiko node for those testnet insert period. It was started around 1 week ago, but I skipped it because requirements for second part of testnet was a bit too much, and I thought that nothing to do in this period also. But today I realized that they include my addresses in proposers list and dropped some test tokens. So I will install and run the node. By the way, you can do it also without test tokens, and your node will also make blocks as people write in chats. So let's start. We will need account on Alchemy, some ETH on Simplified testnet, and if you have TTKO tokens, you have to deposit it to contract. So let's start from Alchemy. If you have account already, it's nice for you. If no, then you can register. The easiest way is sign up with Google. Here we have to create a new app and name it somehow. And here we need to choose Ethereum Sepali. Create app. Okay. Second, we need some ETH on Sepali. Here we click login and paste our address. Okay, done. Next step is deposit our TTKO tokens. Go to contract, connect your wallet. Make sure that here is Sepolia. Click deposit Taiko token, and it was 50 tokens dropped by Taiko project, and you have to add 8 zeros in the end. Right? Okay, it's done. Next, you have to get some VPS. If you have, it's good for you. If not, you can sign up by any of my link. You will get some bonuses as 200 trial or 20 euro trial. I will use Testnet for this node because it's better. Ubuntu 20, and here I will choose a server with 4 CPU and 8 GB of RAM. This is our IP. And as terminal I use mobile, it's most comfort for me. First root password you have to get on email. and in first login you will change it. Okay, what we do now? All next movements will be on server, so let's update it for first. Now we have to install Docker. Check Docker version. It's okay. And now we can install Node. Next step is set up our ENV. And for this step we will need the data from Alchemy. Let's open our app, and here you will see button View Key. Copy HTTPS. It must be here. And the WSS must be here. Here must be true. It's already true. Here also must be true. Here must be private key from MetaMask address which you used to deposit TTKO tokens. In proposer also must be true. In proposer private key, your key from MetaMask again. And in last line, your MetaMask address. Press Ctrl S and Ctrl X. Now you can run the node with this command. How it works, you can check with these commands. Or also you can check status of your node by this link, but instead of your IP, you have to insert your IP. It just started, so after you will see more information, more visual information. Actually that's it, not so much time needs for this. Don't forget, click like and subscribe to my channel. Adios, amigos!